Hi, my name is Irfan Bimji and I'm the founder of River AI. River AI was built to help teams create on-brand content within minutes. No prompt engineering, no blank canvas problem, ready to publish content within minutes that's on brand. Remember the last time when you wanted to create a piece of content, social media post, newsletter, email, or a blog? How long did it take you to get a post that you're ready to publish? Going back and forth with language models, tweaking the tone, the style, and the voice to match your brand. And the last piece is when you do have a content that's ready to publish, you go to another tool to find an image that matches, and then you go to the platform to be able to publish that entire post. So you have a fragmented experience jumping across the tools. River AI aims to solve all that while maintaining the brand consistency and identity within a single application. When we go to the River AI dashboard, we're presented with an analytics view of how many pieces your team has created, how much time you're saving, and what cost savings those result in. I would like to show you a workflow and how easy it is to create content within River AI. We begin with a workflow, and you're presented with a library of templates of selecting any content you'd like. Over 20 templates have been built and more are added weekly, from blog posts to cold outreach emails, client reports, announcements, and event invitations. The most popular one we have is social media. So we'll begin our social media workflow. You select your media platform, LinkedIn, content type, promotional, and you enter your high-level message. And that's it. I would like them to visit the website. Call to action, let's include hashtags. We also have image generation capabilities. In this case, we'll enable it. And we'll describe the image. And within seconds, only by completing a few form fields, you're able to get content that's ready to publish within minutes. And here's the generated content. Create on-brand content in minutes with River AI. It also has the ability to edit. Now, sometimes you don't like this output. This has been set in a professional tone by default. Depending on the audience, you may want it more friendly. With one click, you change the tone and the content regenerates. You can edit the content directly here. So the link, and you save. This also gives you a high quality image as you described it. And we're not done. The last piece, as I mentioned, is integration to LinkedIn has been completed, which means because it's connected to my River AI admin page within the company, in one click, I click publish to LinkedIn, and this post and the content goes from River AI directly on LinkedIn. And if I click view LinkedIn, here is the post directly. And this is how easy it is to create content that's on brand. The biggest differentiator is on the left navigation, you'll see brand intelligence. This is where we define your brand DNA, your name, tagline, mission, who your audience is, what kind of voice description your brand represents, what are some key tone and keywords that you use, vocabulary and phrases based on your industry. And we know AI hallucinates and makes a lot of mistakes. So we also have negative instructions for the AI model to understand. Once this brand DNA and intelligence layer is set up once, every workflow you create, every piece of content you and your team creates is on brand consistently. And we have a workflow library where you're able to see the rest of the content that you created and share with the team members. And analytics will also give you an overview of how your team is performing and the types of content that you're creating. And that is the power of River AI. Join us and begin your content creation journey with River AI. Thank you.